We will review Walton Primo GH9 today. Let's start with unboxing the device. We got a pretty neat looking box here. The specs are written on the back side. We got dual 4G here. After opening the box, we will get the Primo GH9 itself. We got a 1 amp USB charging cable. A 5-watt adapter. A normal earphone. A free silicone cover and paperworks. These are the things you will get with Primo GH9. Let's have a look at the device. I would say for $80 or 6,700 taka, this device looks good. It's plastic built but feels very nice in hand. Let's have a look at the specs. It's rocking the MediaTek Helio A20, which is a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, 2 GB or 3 GB RAM, a big 6.1-inch IPS 720p panel, and dual camera. Main sensor is 13 megapixel and the bokeh sensor is 0.3 megapixel, which doesn't help that much. The front camera is 5 megapixel. The phone has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a fingerprint sensor. Let's check the overall settings and the smoothness. It is running Android 10. It supports 4G VoLTE. The battery is good enough too. You can easily use this for a whole day without charging it. The camera has 4 modes: normal, portrait mode, beauty mode, cute mode and video mode. Video supports up to 1080p. Now let's have a look at some samples. The daylight pics are good enough and usable. This is a picture from selfie camera and this is a video sample. Exposure handling is fine enough, as you can see in the video. The camera is decent for a $80 phone. For calling, it is loud and clear. Now let's try playing PUBG on this 2GB RAM variant of Walton Primo GH9. Surprisingly, the game runs good enough considering the price. The thing that PUBG is even running is surprising on its own. We won't say that you should buy this phone for gaming at all, but you know now that it is good enough for running normal tasks like Facebook, Messenger and YouTube and other stuff. It's good for elderly people on normal uses. It's good enough. We recommend Primo GH9 if your budget is around 6 to 7,000 taka or $80. It is really steal for that price. Thanks for watching this review of Walton Primo GH9. See you in the next video.